Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with PayPal for integrating responsive payment UI step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the dashboard section of your PayPal account. Click on Tools in the top menu. Select Business Setup or All Tools, depending on your account interface. Find and click on PayPal buttons. Choose Create button to start a new button setup. Specify the billing cycle, which can include monthly, quarterly, or yearly intervals. Set additional options, like trial periods or drop-down menus for different subscription levels. Once you've configured the button, scroll down to Customize Advanced Features. Enable any additional options you want, such as auto-return or a return URL. After reviewing all options, click on the Create button to generate the code. Copy the HTML code provided for your subscription button. Now, head to your website or application where you want to integrate the button. Open the HTML editor or the relevant section for custom code insertion. Paste the PayPal subscription button code into your web page where you'd like it to appear. Save your changes and upload the page to your server. Test the button to ensure it redirects to PayPal and processes the subscription accurately. If additional customization for a responsive design is required, apply CSS styles to the button. Ensure the button is mobile-friendly and adjusts to different screen sizes seamlessly. Check the integration by testing on various devices to confirm responsiveness. Monitor subscriptions through your PayPal account to track incoming payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.